Is this a Funny Guy Farm video?
Vanity in the girls' bathroom, the little sink. What are we calling this then?
I bought say that.
Oh, you're so funny. Let me see, like this seems fairly centered. Maybe it can go to the left a bit off of the light there. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? Does it seem cleaner exposing the grout line or having the grout line covered up on that right side there? You know, so it disappears behind there. Like, should you go to the left so it's...
I think it's cleaner covering it.
Okay, that's what I
personally
thought. That's what I thought too.
Okay, I just want to make sure I can still like get in here. Because then you can still get in here and clean.
Yeah.
And then you have more room around the toilet.
We need to cut out this backing here so we can get at the access panel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's get it good and lined up, and then we'll mark like where the studs are, mark where our holes are gonna be, and then we'll pull it off, cut it. Because my worry is that when we cut it, that these will like move a little bit. It's not rigid across.
Yeah.
Or do you think just cut it?
I think like figure out where it needs to be.
Okay.
And then measure it.
Okay.
And figure it all out.
Okay, that's what I was thinking. Let's just use the piece of wood you found back here and here, because look, it fits pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Cut here and here. We'll make these little strips for here, and then we'll just attach here. So you're just gonna cut here and here. I'm gonna go cut this.
Back part of the vanity blocks the access panel that has valve.
Access to the valve. We didn't vent all the way to the roof for air, which helped the P-trap gulp push
flows
the fluid through. Yeah.
Yeah.
We use these serviceable valves that act like a vent, but in case they fail, the inspector wanted us to be able to access those.
It's hard. I'm too cavalier sometimes. Pretty good, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
I veered a little bit.
That's okay. Now it's, what do you think? It's a little, can you come over here? Look. Now it's a little, I just have to pull this shim out a tiny bit more.
Is that enough?
Okay, try that. How's that look on the level? Better?
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty
good.
Pretty good.
Yeah, I just pulled this one shim out a little bit. Okay, let me go trim this shim. Just so when we cock it, we'll tape it in place. You know what I mean? I didn't go super, expensive on this one. This we're gonna screw through, so maybe we don't have to do that. But those we should at least screw or glue. Put it down. I remember this.
Spot on.
So there's a stud like right here, and you can see these screws. This is tile. Hammer sitting makes it easier once you have like a little pilot hole on the tile. Okay, it looks good. We're gonna go slow and hopefully we'll get a stud. Okay, stud. All right, let's take a picture of that for the inspector. Pretty good?
Oh yeah, I think this is good.
Basically, like this screw screws it onto here.
I think this. You sure that this goes through the hole and not this?
It could. Try it.
Because
okay, maybe that's what it is. Okay, that makes more sense then. I'm kind of just remembering, but I don't, totally remember.
Directions anymore.
In the bag, once we get it finger tight, that plastic hex screw thing is what we need to.
It's also, it looks dark on the monitor, but
Right.
it's less dark on an actual like color balanced screen. Okay, so this has to be good.
Okay.
So
It's spinning.
we need to move this gasket up like this.
Can you kind of like pull and do it?
Yeah, I mean, we need like a big wrench at this point.
Yeah, but it'll keep turning is what I'm saying.
If we hold this in place and then,
This is spinning when you do it.
no,
Okay.
this is going into the actual waist seat. So if we can hold this
Okay.
here and then, I just can't tighten this by finger tight
Okay.
anymore.
Where's our big
So,
channel lock?
let me get some channels. Yeah. Good.
Okay. Maybe don't over wrench it because if we do have to take it out, we'll be doing it underneath.
Okay, so then put this guy for the drain in. And
Tell me if I
then-
need to rotate. I can't see.
Yeah, we'll see here in a second.
Oh wait, this fell out. Did you get it in the hole of the? Yeah. Okay, it's locked.
Okay,
Okay.
so this goes into here like this, and this tightens to
But-
that.
Yeah.
Like that is what you're saying?
Yeah, I'm just saying we have to kind of like adjust where we need it.
Yeah.
So I think put it on like this on there.
Pull
Maybe
it.
put it on the. Oh, I see. Okay.
Pull it all the way up.
Put that on there. Because it's so tight. There we go.
Hey, is this stuff supposed to be bent the way it is? And it's also like, I don't think
Touching.
like this should, I don't feel
Okay,
like
then
this
let's
should
put
be
it-
below this.
What should be below this?
The actual thing that you pull up and down is,
So you think this should be lower on here, and this should be in a lower hole, or what are you saying? Hold on, one thing at a time. Because you don't want it to go too far up because of the back of the wall. Like you can't, we can't.
Yeah.
That so pulling it up closes it, okay, and pushing it in opens it. Have it more on like the second one.
Okay, so where
here.
you want this? Yeah, put this where you want.
Okay,
This is open.
that's open.
Okay, so that would basically be like this all the way down.
No. Open is when it's up. Sorry, closed is when it's up. Open is when it's in all the way.
Yeah. So
Is that what you said?
yeah.
Sorry.
Okay,
But I was
so-
trying to give a little bit extra, like here's all the way down.
Yeah.
But I was trying to make it so it has room to like push down, not like catch here. And that's open. See, the close is just like, ugh. You know what I mean? Open,
Well, it's
close. That's too far out.
yeah.
for
I
the
don't
close.
understand. Like all of these mechanisms are like bent. I mean, this thing I'm assuming needs to be bent for its design. It just seems like
Well, it's because we used it before.
close, open.
But that's too far.
What do you mean?
The wall's right here. So you only want it like that, but
Got it?
got it.
Do you see what? Do you see how it's working now?
Yep.
Do you see why
We
it's
put
working?
both of it in there.
Yeah,
in
like
the
this goes into the clip also, I think, which
clip.
helps.
Yes.
there's still travel in it, but
That's way better.
but
And you're not going to use it all the time. 99% of the time, it's going to be closed. Or, sorry, open. But it's just when you want to plug the sink for some reason.
yeah, but you still want it to function properly, right?
Yeah.
It also doesn't really say this that clearly, and obviously also we have a different looking clip part here than what's in the things. There's a connection here. There's like 3 connections here, you know? It's like a lot of...
This took us like 2 hours to figure out.
Not that long.
All right. Good?
Yeah. Okay.
We need to adhesive it.
Yeah. Good.
And shim it. We'll shim it. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Shark bite.
Shark bite.
Trying to figure this out.
Figure this out?
Figure this out.
Well, wait a sec. Is there one more piece for it?
Well, yeah, we need an extender too.
Extender too. Okay. All right. Let me go get a measuring tape.
So what does this extender look like? I mean, it's a straight piece.
It's a piece with a hat, like a bigger hat. It's just like this, but straight.
And so there would be like a collar that goes up on here. We put the pipe up, tighten it down, and
With
then
another one of these with the gasket.
Yeah, up on top, just like this one.
Another one that would screw onto here.
Let me go look in the mess of crap out there. Otherwise, we just have to get it at the depot or whatever.
I think I've seen it.
Here? Yeah, I think there's... I just don't know exactly...
It's like a straight piece of pipe like this with this on top.
Yeah.
That exact thing.
Do we have the gaskets and the collars and everything else for it?
I don't know. Let's go look.
I think it might be over here.
I was just,
No magical
Shark bite?
shark bite.
It's like this, but not.
Yeah, that's electrical.
Yeah. Thought there was like a sink.
That's what I'm saying.
This is like propane. We have found
We might have exactly what
we need.
right in the box.
Right off the shelf. Look, and there's even... Yeah, this is perfect. This is exactly what we need.
Wonderful.
Closer. Still need a little
It's
bit
like,
more.
yeah, it's like almost to the elbow. It's hard for me to visualize it actually.
Let's do like half an inch.
Yeah.
Because we can always pull it back. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. We shouldn't have cut it so much. Okay, so if this was the right piece, right?
Yeah.
Elbow to like an elbow, the little piece, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to my favorite place in the whole world.
Why are we going there?
We're going to Lowe's because we need a shark bite, parts for our P-trap, because unique situation where the drain and the P-trap are kind of like not in line, and so we need to kind of like do some funny guy stuff to get it to work. Hold on, wait.
This can go on like here. This can go on like here. I need to find the gasket for it though. Wait,
Because there's gray coming out the top.
It's under the damn sink.
And it's under the damn sink.
Okay, this goes in here. This goes like this. This just goes into there.
Look at that.
And then like that.
Thank you. It's just not in all the way.
I think.
There she is.
I don't know, try that.
Yeah.
See if it works.
It's just pressuring the line. I'm turning the water off. Just let it run. Yeah. That's good. Beautiful faucet. Ooh, Vanity. High five me.
Okay. That's a call day. Did we accomplish anything today?
Yeah.
What did we do?
Before today, we did not have any of this. Plumbed. There's water.
Ooh, wonderful. Wonderful. Show me the water again. Ooh.
Can I show you your new bathroom? Can I show you your new bathroom? Okay, go slow. No. Everybody go slow. There's no climbing on the toilet. Okay? Look. Gentle. Look, Sunny. Look, water. Okay, gentle. Okay, you can wash your hands now and brush your teeth.